Welcome to our video guide on why starting an LLC in California is a smart move, and how you can obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, to get your business up and running. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or looking to take your business to the next level, forming an LLC and getting an EIN can be essential steps towards success. So, let's dive right in. In this video, we'll cover the following steps. Understanding LLCs and their benefits. Naming and choosing a registered agent. Filing articles of organization. Drafting an operating agreement. Obtaining an EIN from the IRS. Complying with California tax and regulatory requirements. Before we delve into the process, let's discuss why starting an LLC in California can be advantageous for entrepreneurs and small business owners. 1. Limited liability protection. One of the key benefits of forming an LLC is the protection it provides to your personal assets. In case your business incurs debts or legal liabilities, your personal assets like your home or savings are generally shielded from being used to satisfy those obligations. 2. Flexible management structure. LLCs offer flexibility in terms of management structure. You can choose to manage the company yourself or appoint managers to handle day-to-day operations. 3. Pass-through taxation. LLCs have the advantage of pass-through taxation, meaning that the profits and losses of the business pass through to the individual member's personal tax returns, avoiding double taxation. 4. Credibility and professionalism. Operating your business as an LLC can enhance your credibility and professionalism, which can be beneficial when dealing with clients, customers, and business partners. Now that we understand the benefits of starting an LLC, let's walk through the step-by-step process of forming an LLC in California. Step 1. Understanding LLCs. First things first, what is an LLC? A limited liability company, or LLC, is a flexible business structure that offers personal liability protection for its owners, also known as members. This means that your personal assets are separate from your business assets, reducing your risk if the business faces legal or financial challenges. LLCs are popular among small businesses and startups because they offer a balance of simplicity and liability protection. Another advantage is that they allow for pass-through taxation, meaning the business itself does not pay taxes. Instead, the profits and losses are passed through to the member's personal tax returns. Step 2. Naming and choosing a registered agent. Choosing the right name for your LLC is crucial. It should be unique and not infringe on existing trademarks. Once you've decided on a name, you'll need to conduct a name search with the California Secretary of State to ensure it's available. Next, you'll need a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or entity responsible for receiving legal documents and important mail on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in California and be available during regular business hours. Step 3. Filing articles of organization. Now, it's time to make your LLC official by filing the Articles of Organization with the California Secretary of State. This document outlines essential details about your business, such as its name, purpose, address, and the names of the initial members. You can submit the Articles of Organization online through the California Secretary of State's website, and you'll need to pay a filing fee. Once approved, you'll receive a certificate of organization, confirming your LLC's existence. Step 4. Drafting an operating agreement. While California doesn't legally require an operating agreement, it's highly recommended. This internal document outlines how your LLC will be managed, the roles of members, voting rights, profit sharing, and more. Having an operating agreement helps prevent misunderstandings and disputes in the future. Step 5. Obtaining an EIN from the IRS. Next up, let's get your Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. An EIN is like a social security number for your business, and it's essential for tax purposes, hiring employees, opening bank accounts, and more. To apply for an EIN, you can do it online on the IRS website. It's a simple process that requires some basic information about your LLC. Once you submit the application, you'll get your EIN instantly in most cases. Step 6. Complying with California tax and regulatory requirements. Congratulations! You've now formed your LLC and obtained your EIN. But wait, there's more. As a business owner in California, you must comply with certain tax and regulatory requirements to stay in good standing. Make sure to check with the California Franchise Tax Board, FTB, to understand your LLC's tax obligations, such as income tax and the annual minimum tax. Additionally, consider if you need any local licenses or permits, depending on your business activities and location. Step 7. Obtain website and license applications. Starting an LLC and getting an EIN in California might seem overwhelming, but it's a rewarding journey that sets you on the path to success and protection as a business owner. Remember to do your research, seek legal advice if needed, and stay organized throughout the process. We hope you enjoyed our comprehensive guide on how to start an LLC and get an EIN in California. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more business-related content. Wishing you all the best on your entrepreneurial adventure. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.